So 85cc class final here at Lamitan City, Basilan. So nandyan sa hirap ako guys, ang batang agila ng Liloy, Zamboanga, Rio Remolacio. Sa hirap ako guys, sasali sa 85cc.
Bata ko, nasan?
And then Kyle Topic 525, Dylan Fabian.
Hit category ito boss, hit category.
85cc.
Category.
Oh. Nagtapad ang mga mamaw. Ups! Picture kayong dalawa. John. John. And AJ Tolentino. Tuyok lang, tuyok. Injured guys, injured Baby Ninja. Bakbakan na to guys. Kyle Topic versus Dylan Fabian versus Zaira Paco, Rio Remolacio, AG Tolentino,
City Treasure, Francis Paproa.
Dora guys, kibuyan na. Allah. Wow, grabe pawiran Dylan bay. Dylan Fabian, grabe pawira. Alala, Zaira Paco, Kyle Topic. Wow! Kyle Topic versus Dylan Fabian. Outside Kyle Topic, inside si Dylan. Agay, lugi si Dylan guys. Hindi, i-over jaman. Objection. Hoy! Wow, Kyle Topic nagawa na guys. Nakuha si Dylan Fabian. Ayun oh. Ara, double! Grabe, overjump. Ayun ako overjump, Kyle Topic. Dylan Fabian on second. Zaira Paco on third. Rio Remolacio on fourth. Kyle Topic nakauna guys. Nakauna ang batang mandirigma ng Kiblawan. Grabe! Dylan Fabian! Zaira Paco! Grabe! Rio Remolacio 65cc lang baon! Sumukol sa 85cc guys! Grabe Kyle Topic oh! Haguros bay! Dylan Fabian, andyan lang sa likuran! Para nakagawas. Hoy. Objection. Zaira Paco on third. Wow. Grabe, lupad Kyle Topic bay. Ara. Dylan Fabian, double. Zaira Paco, double. Grabe, hilak-hilak ang 150 bay. Tara! White flag na! Dylan Fabian! White flag. Ay, wala ka tira sa Paco. Grabe! Mura ginublaban ang lubot ni Kyle Topic. Mura ginublaban ang lubot ni Kyle Topic guys. Nagsunod mo ko si Dylan. AJ Tolentino. Injured guys, injured. Last lap na John. Oh. Kyle Topic on the lane, Zaira Paco on third. Wow, waiting for checkered flag. Grabe. Last two corner, Kyle Topic. Last corner. Dylan Fabian on second. Ayun no. Wow, checkered flag. Champion Kyle Topic! Grabe. Syra Paco third. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Fist bump. Syra Paco! Fist bump with Syra Paco and Kyle Topic. Fist bump, fist bump. Congrats, congrats. Rio. Rio.
Okay.
Second champion Kyle Topic.
Sa likod. Tapos, picture.
Second flag. Congrats Kyle Topic, champion. Second. Dylan, third. Zaira, fourth. Rio Remulacio.
Picture lang ha, picture.
Second.